In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email in Zendesk. Forwarding an email in Zendesk can be really useful for sharing important information with your team or escalating a ticket to the right department. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can seamlessly forward emails in Zendesk. First, you'll want to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your agent home screen where you'll find a list of all your tickets. These tickets are essentially the emails or support requests that you or your team are working on. Now, getting to the forwarding process begins with locating the ticket section. You should see a tab or icon labeled Tickets either on the left-hand sidebar or somewhere in the main body of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page listing all your current tickets. Now that you're on the Tickets page, the next step is to create a new ticket. Think of this new ticket as the platform through which you'll forward your email. Look for the New Ticket button. It's typically positioned somewhere near the top of the interface. Click on New Ticket to open up a blank ticket form. The new ticket form requires a few details to ensure everything is set correctly for your forwarding process. In this form, you'll type in the initial details that Zendesk requests, such as the subject of the email. This will typically be whatever subject you want the forwarded email to have. Think of a clear, concise subject that makes it evident what the email is about. Then you'll move on to the description area. This is where things get specific to forwarding. In the description box, you'll need to type out the content or the essence of the email you wish to forward. Next, locate the CC field on the new ticket form. This stands for carbon copy, and it's where you input the email addresses of anyone you want to forward the email to. By clicking on the CC option, you'll open up a field where you can type in or paste the email address of the recipient or recipients. Make sure you're double-checking the email addresses for accuracy to ensure it reaches the intended individuals. With all your details filled out and the correct email addresses in the CC field, you're ready for the final step. Look for the Submit as New button. It should be situated towards the bottom part of your screen. Clicking on Submit as New finalizes the process, effectively turning your ticket into a forwarded email that gets sent out to the addresses you listed. And there you have it. By following these steps methodically, you can forward an email in Zendesk efficiently and effectively. Remember, taking a few extra seconds to review the details you've entered can save time correcting mistakes later. Thanks for watching, and happy forwarding.